How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, I've been meaning to put out this video. It's a year-end review of my 2021 hunting season, but instead of doing a shot compilation like how I did last year for 2020, I'm just gonna do something different this year. But before we get to it, I just want to tell you guys a little bit about myself to answer some of your questions on YouTube. I started hunting in 2009 with the rifle, started with the crossbow in 2012, and finally in 2015 a friend told me to buy a compound bow, and I had to watch hundreds of YouTube videos about bow and arrow and compound bows and compound bow hunting, and I got hooked. But anyway, thank you all for your support. My channel was originally created for just for me to look back when I get old, and it's growing. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I got you guys to thank for that. But yeah, thank you all. But this 2021 season was an awesome year for me, and later in the year, that's when I was acquired, or I joined the North American team for Wild Jaeger. But I shot a total of over 60 deers, and the ones I'll be showing you guys are just the keepers that I kept, trophies. It was an awesome year, so enjoy. Well, folks, it was a blessed 2021 archery season. What I'm about to show you guys is all of my archery bucks that I shot, ranging from 28.5 inches to 34.5. So starting with these guys are my Manele bucks. They're all in order that I shot them, starting from, I believe was April. There was actually 3 velvet bucks, but I left one, and you guys can remember that one if you guys follow me on my Instagram page. That's my state archery buck. And then starting from here is Kamalapao box, which I call that the sticker buck. Look at that. That extra devil. Looks awesome. I love these two right here. These two didn't make it in my social media page. I was just too lazy, or was just too late to get back home. This is my last Manele buck, which was shot September 2. And my last Kamalapao buck in December, when they were all skinny and weak. These two are rifle hunts. That's my son's in the morning, shot at Kamalapao Gouch. And that is my buck, shot at Pipeline in the afternoon, solo. My son didn't come with me that afternoon already. And these 3 are my 3 prized possession. I'm pretty sure you guys can recognize that one. 51-yard shot, stone. These 2 are Kamalapao bucks also. This guy was a brute. I had to carry this guy out of the gouch in the dark. So he's my most prized possession right here. And check out that middle one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this guy is also a Kamalapao buck. He has some character on him. Look at that funky man. But this guy is on top of the list also. Check that out, that brown head. 51-yard stoned. I call that the stone cold buck. Yeah guys, it's been
in a blessed 2021 season, and I got to take 3 Deadheads. I found this at Maneli. This guy was at the antennas, unit number 3. This guy was in Kamalapal Gulch. He was all tied up on some wire and stuff, but you can see all the marks where it was all wrapped up to wood. But I took those 3 Deadheads. It's an awesome collection. Oh, and I also sent a couple of them to the Philippines to hang in my house over there. Also like this one, Mr. Stickerbuck. Check out that eye guard, guys. Eye guard buck. Yeah, awesome season. Blessed.